Hello, hello. Welcome to day 107. We're gonna continue the grind for this book. I'll keep it simple because I got class pretty soon. Yesterday we left off on the chapter of I think we left off on somewhere here. We're building our lecture stuff, and then our goal was to be able to tokenize all of this. Anyways, I think we're able to basically get towards. So there's a few things I need to be able to tokenize. First, let's rebuild all of this. We need to match it so that we have an array of the exact match, right? So we have an identifier or assignment or let. Well, we have something that tells us to do the let keywords, which is an assignment, right? So we have expected type, which is token dot assign, I believe. And it's let. And we have identifier, which is called oops. Oh my, why is this so weird? 5. And then we have, I don't know if he include the equal sign. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a let keyword, so this is let identifier and then assign, right? Then then we have the integer int, right? 5. Then we skip all the way over. We have another let keyword. Let. Obviously, just let. Identifier. Identifier, which is going to be 10. And then assign, then the actual int value. Int value, which is this, and then we have int, we have this, we have the 10, the value 10, and then we have a semicolon. Semicolon, that looks like this. Then we have another identifier, or more like a let keyword. Oops. We have a let, semicolon. Then we have, what was it again? A let keyword. Then we have identifier. We have an identifier called add. Then we assign assign the function fn. Then we have L paren, right? Then we have R paren, right? Then we have L brace. We have R brace. But in between that, I actually need to put the code, which is I'm not sure how to do this. X and Y. Oh, wait. I gotta put in between here. I have to put here. What do we put? Variables, right? It's an identifier. Okay. All identifiers are just called ident. X, comma, Y. Then, right? Ident, comma, ident, or parent. Okay, we close the thing, and then we can use it in here, which is X plus, we have, we'll just take, honestly, these two again, right? Oh my goodness, hold on, I just messed up this entire thing. Alright, Vim macros time. Q, A, place a comma down, go down. Okay, hold on, I messed up, hold on. Start here, right? Q, A, go to the end of the line. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. Go to the, okay, hold on. QA, go to the end of the line, add press A, put comma, escape, go down, go to the first character, and then Q. And then %A, let's do 12 %A. 12 %A. Wait, what? What? I'm stuck. Why am I stuck in Vim? The fuck? Mark a monkey? I don't know what the fuck just happened. Is it applying? No way. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Why is my Vim broken? tmux kill monkey, I guess. Tmux kill session, and then monkey. CD flexor. Delete it. I don't know what the fuck's happening there. Okay, let me try again. So QA, go to the end of the line, then escape, go down, go to the dish, and then stop recording. Then ampersand A, 12 ampersand A, repeat, 12 ampersand A, 12 ampersand A. Boom. That was very weird. Okay, where's the semicolon though? I think there's another semicolon somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. Semicolon. Right here. X plus Y. And the function too? Gross. I don't really. Okay. Alright, what do I do here? This is right here. Then, what do we do here? We have more. We have the let result, right? So let's do let, right? We have that. We have identifier. It's gonna be called result. Right, we have let assign, then we have function, or is it identifier, add, right? Is that the correct use of, yeah. All variables or function to like user defined names are literally just identifiers, which is cool. Okay. We have identify, then we have the left and right parens, left paren, the right paren. But inside there we're gonna have integers, I believe. 5 and 10, the variable, so the identifiers. We have 2 right here. We have 5 and then 10, right? And then we have a semicolon right here. Do we have a comma in between 5 and 10? Then we don't. So comma. Let's do it right here, and then end EOF, which is just nothing. Bum bum bum. Wait, do we need to put? I think we do. All right, so this is a tokenized version of this, and we're just comparing when we build our Elixir, does it match our expected output? Very test-driven development right here. Very simple. A few things. First is obviously it's gonna fail because we never handled a white space. So in case 0, we might need to do some tweaking. So we need to add a default case, right? The case where it's none of these essentially. Like none of these symbol literals, but like, okay, how do we differentiate identifiers? So how do we make an identifier? So identifier is just, we need to basically, if it starts with a if L dot ch is okay, well, is letter, I guess, right? Else do something else, right? Talk is gonna look a little bit different, right? We'll figure that later out. I believe the idea is to assign the literal as the whole variable name. We need to be able to do that. So let's actually make a function that does this for us. Let's say func. This is a part of the Elixir class, not Elixir class, Elixir struct. It's not rechar, it's more like read identifier, identify. So how you spell identifier? Which returns us the string. Yeah, returns us the string. It's nice to have this to be part of the class or the part of the struct, because we'll have access to these struct fields, which will be useful. Now, how do we read identifier? Basically, we want to keep going until, I guess we want to read character, right? I guess for, I guess L dot ch as long as this is a character, is char, or is, I don't know, character is letter, I guess. Then L dot read char, right? And then was a var position equals L dot position, right? And then return the input at position to our new position. Makes sense? Now we need to make a is letter field. Yeah, is letter. Let's make a is letter function. So, okay. I use it a bunch here, so Okay, I'm gonna make these over here. Func is some helper functions, right? Which takes in a character, which is just a byte, boolean. Can I not spell? Return the character which is less than or equal to this, or not that, it should be greater than or equal to this, and greater than or ch is greater than or equal to 9. So all the digits, and I believe we want to also allow like foo bar like this. So we also want to consider a underscore a digit as well, and or it's not and, it's more like or ch is equal to this. Yeah, that's a valid thing, and then everyone can use it. Read identifier. This got to be imported, so we have to wait. No, this is gonna be locally used, so I don't think it's worth exporting, you know, because it's gonna be used in our next token. Our next token is gonna be handling everything. All of these, actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna put this here because this is easier, like the exported stuff. Right, all the new, and these two are the only things that are going to be used by the programmer. So if it is lettered, then token is just literally l.read identifier else if it's not, then I guess it's a token equals toke.type. I don't know, what would it be? New token. Token equals new token. This is like an illegal new token. Token dot illegal, and I don't know what to put here. L.share. L.read identifier. Does it not like this? Oh, actually, the literal is this, literal. Toggle only takes a whole token, so the literal, but what about the type of this, right? I don't think we gonna return talk. Why do we return talk? I actually need to read this better. Oh wait, well this is not, this is digit. So A through Z, right? Okay, I see. It needs to be these two must be the case, right? Or it equals the, or okay, caps are valid too, so this is valid, or yeah, these are valid, or the character is a underscore. So this is okay. I don't know. I did is digit. Okay, I'm kind of confused on this. This has no type. I wonder why. Okay, we need to also break up a few things, right? We need to, what kind of identifier is it, right? The type is a bit ambiguous. It can be an identifier or a specific type of keyword that is an identifier, right? So in our token, we actually need to make a few more cooler things. We need to differentiate this, right? So let's do this. Let's make a map called keywords, right? Well, actually like this. And map the string to a token type, right? Right. And actually make one where we add it to. And let's say if it's fn, that means function, right? Function. Oops. Function. Or if it's a let keyword, like let, then we say let, right? And we could do a nice little lookup function, right? So func lookup function, like lookup identifier, right? So if the keywords, I think we've taken the ident string, I will return token type. Keywords ident, right? I think, hold on, we can assign a few variables, okay and error, to this. If error, or if okay, then return a function, or return, I guess, literally this. What is it again? I forget. What is the map return? Okay. Token. It actually returns the token type. And we can just return toke. Otherwise, return identifier, because that's a custom-made identifier. And then actually, it's actually, this is the okay, right? It returns if it's in the boolean and the thing. So if okay, then that, then return identifier. So very nice. Lexer test, and there. So we have all of this stuff here. Okay, now we need to do a few things. Is to consume the white space as well. Yeah, let's also do, let's consider the white space case. So let's do, oh, what is this? No, this needs to go first. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, we need to make a eat white space, right? Func. Is it a part of the lecture class? It might be. Yeah, because we need to be we need to be a part of the I was skip white space. Doesn't return anything, so yeah. So for L dot ch equals like this, or L dot character equals like a tab. We don't care about new lines. I guess tabs, or I think tabs. I'm sure. L dot ch is new lines. What is this? New line, or L dot ch equals what else? R. Wait, I'm confused. Is it this? I'm not sure what R does. Then L dot read char. That's good. And we can skip the white space. Right, and then we'll call this for every new token. So we'll just get to the newest. Okay, if that's the case, then. Oh my god, no. Well, I need this. Whoa. Right, it's part of the lecture class, or lecture struct. So we can call L dot, right? Then so this means, right, we can do we can write it like this too. I think it won't, oops, I think it won't care. Like we can write it like a normal code block. I think it won't care, hopefully, right? Yeah, hopefully it doesn't care, right? I think hopefully this won't break. Maybe it might. Oh, this expects that let 5 equals this, and then semicolon. Semicolon. Let 5 equal that. Yep, there you go. Yep. Let 5. Yep, equal 5. Yeah. Okay. This should be relatively correct. We need to do one more thing though. We need to consider for digits. Also, hold on. Let me fix my... Here. Now we know the type of this. So talk dot... talk dot type, right? Type equals... look... I was like, look up identifier, which is L dot literal, right? I know there is a thing. Okay, I know why. Because token dot this, and then we can put a string, literal, What does it take? No, wait. Not L, it's talk. Yep. So that's nice. This should give us the correct type if it's either identifier or if it's a keyword. And then we can return that. There's actually another case. We need to do else if is digit. Sure. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wait, I need to press enter, then this. Yeah, I keep doing that. Else, what was right. Else if is digit then talk dot literal. We're gonna have the same pattern as this, but read digit. We'll have that thing here. We'll also have talk type, right? As we already know what it is. It's gonna be an integer. Talk dot int, right? And okay, I think it's because this is crying. That's okay. Why is this crying? What am I missing up here? Like what could be possibly wrong with the syntax? I have to return something. Return talk. What is wrong with this? Okay, that's fine. What the fuck? Why am I tweaking over this? There, fucking god. Did it not know how to face that for me? Is digit and read digit. Let's actually make those. So we have read, not that one. We have is letter and read identifier. So these two go together. So let's put them together. And then let's make these basically the same logic. But just obviously called differently. So this is a read identifier, so read digit, right? Although position forever is digit, read character, then return the sliced version of that. And we have digit condition is a bit different. We obviously care about the 0. Yeah. Right, like this. And don't care about anything else. Oops. Oh my god, I hate this keyboard. Okay, 0, yep. We have 0 to that, yep. I think that's right. As long as it's a digit, then we're good. Alright. Okay, let's just run this, and then I think we'll be good for today's session. So let's go testing. What do we fail? We got an indent, but got at that. All right, let's see. Wait, which one is this one? Line 70. So 70. Well, okay, duh, it's in line 70, but which one is this one? Test 11. So this is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. What is it? Okay, yeah, that doesn't make sense at all. Okay, wait, whoa, this makes 0 sense at all. Nope. So let add equals that, yeah. Let add equals that. Boom, 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 boom. Let add dun equals the function. Okay, yeah, let's try again. Passed. All right. Very fast. So yeah, we were able to tokenize this input very nicely. Now we also need to add in more operators, right? Such as like exclamation point, minus, slash, times. So we need plus, minus, the bang operator, the asterisk. Might as well add that because they're pretty easy. So, oops. So we have, what is it called? Let's do minus. Let's do asterisk. And then let's do slash. And then the bang operator. Bang. Which is this. Oops. God, my keyboard's so fucking cooked. Okay, I think this is good for the operators. We can check it really quick, see if it works. We can just add like stuff like this, like bang or bang, boom, bop, 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 da, or bang plus slash that. Again, the Lexer's job is not to check for grammar per se, just to convert this text into something more complicated data structure. So we need to copy this. Right. That is a bang plus and dash. So we have a bang plus and slash and a semicolon. Well, let's put a dash instead. So this is a bang. This is a plus slash and minus. Let's run. Which one? Okay, illegal. Wait, I might have to consider that in my. Oh yeah, I need to add these on my thing. Lecture text. Lecture test. Lecture right here. So let's just add those in our next token. So basically there's one of these joints. Let's add this. Let's add, it's more like I got a bang. Let's do slash a minus and then that was it, right? Oh, asterisks. So yeah, let's do that. Asterisk. Okay. And let me go here and actually add one. After this, let's do asterisk. Boom, and then everything passes. All right, now we're able to move on to more keyword stuff, and we'll do those for tomorrow. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's video. Peace.